Okay na. Mag-unbox tayo.
Yeah, but
Ha?
at some point, I need it for about 2 minutes. And you have that.
Sabi mo ng kanin. We're looking that on first. What is it? Mom, put in the plastic. What is that? This is yours. Then for you.
Pressure off the Federal Reserve to keep hiking interest rates so aggressively and sends a positive signal about downward trends
For you.
in global inflation. Tim.
I get something this week. I got nothing much.
Talk ka lang ka. Hello, boy? Talk ka lang ka. Ah! Mom, give you also taka. Ay, dito. Atika. Oh? This is yours.
It's designed to help people pinpoint their illness and
This
get
is
treatment
mine.
faster. Similar swab testing kits are available across Europe.
Two freight
Yes.
trains had collided in Sydney, causing 10 carriages to derail. Witnesses saw shipping containers topple
Yes.
like dominoes onto the tracks and nearby
This is-
roads. The trains had been reversing into a port to load up when one
This is
failed
yours.
away. The drivers weren't injured.
I like
A Perth researcher is
yellow.
hoping
Woohoo.
to help Perth kids get better access to the most advanced
Yours?
rehabilitation technology available. It's a global search that has the potential to change many young lives.
You choose. June. This is mine.
It's something he's worked hard to achieve using
Tube.
robotic rehab technology at Perth Children's Hospital each week.
Sexy Floyd.
Started in 2012. I've used it for 10 years and seen how it's upgraded from being like a arm device
Tube.
to the wireless it is today.
It's kids like Alexi that Ray Robinson helps already, but wants to help further. The rehab
Oh my God.
coordinator offered an opportunity to travel the globe in the name of
Very
research.
sexy.
Very sexy. You can wear that tomorrow.
Manot hon sa tani eh.
On to Barcelona and then on to London and United Kingdom, then across to America.
The Churchill
That one is
Foundation
yours.
recipient will bring back her findings to WA.
Really exciting.
This one is mine.
And, just so
Is it? Because it doesn't fit me.
to be able to go.
The rehab centre here at PCH helps around 16
This one is for me.
each year, but it's not just about those living in Perth. Ray hopes that her fellowship will reach those living in remote communities.
As a dress.
The kids who will benefit from this research no doubt share one clear message. Research
Ah, that one is okay.
Very
At
comfortable.
Nutty, 7 years.
Yeah.
A
Very
3-metre
comfy.
shark has been spotted swimming alarmingly close to children at Whitford's beach this morning. The tiny
That's it.
shark is seen 4 metres from the shore, but didn't stay
Thank
for
you,
long.
Mom.
It's the latest in a string of
For the-
northern suburb sightings
for the
across
present.
shore.
Melbourne and Sydney, you're going to have between a 1 in 20 and a 1 in 5 chance of seeing a GP clinic that bulk bills.
The report by online health directory CleanBill found less than half offer bulk billing to adults. The national average is 42.7%. Greater Sydney has the highest rate of bulk billing GPs at a little over 67%. But in
Inside
Greater
the
Melbourne,
noodles.
it's 39%. In Greater Brisbane, it's worse at about 30%. Elsewhere in the country, it's a battle too. including
Everything.
Greater Adelaide, Greater Perth and the Northern Territory.
Yum, yum.
The ACT and Tasmania are significantly lower.
We've now got to a point where the straw has broken the camel's back.
The Medicare rebate freeze is again being blamed.
Practice costs
There's
have been
a
rising steeply.
coconut.
And more than 50%
Milk.
of clinics that don't bulk bill, the average out-of-pocket expense is between $30 and $50 for a 50 consultation. That's on top of the Medicare rebate of $39.75.
Worryingly, more and more GPs say they simply can't afford to accept any new patients.
A crisis that's taking a toll on both patients and doctors. Marlena Watt, 7 News.
Prince Harry has given more insight into his feelings over the death of his mother, Diana, the Princess of Wales. In a trailer for Harry's interview, released before it airs in full, the Duke of Sussex talks about the lasting impact of his mother's death.
Everyone thought and felt like they knew our mum. And the two closest people to her, the two most loved people by her, were unable to show any emotion in that moment.
Prince Harry's autobiography comes out this week, but it was nearly canned. The Duke of Sussex reportedly wanted to pull out of the project over fears the late Queen would never let him return to the royal fold. And you can watch Harry's full interview right here on 7 and 7
That's
Plus.
very nice.